Hey friends, it's July 6th. I planted these 2-week seedlings here today and am working down. These here are 36 days from seeding, and 3 days ago, roughly 3 days ago, I added bubblers to all of these reservoirs. So I'm going to add a video from July 3 so you can take a look at that and see if there's any difference here. I think the plants are starting to lift up again and grow vertically. They were really limping or laying down. I also have a suspicion that the nutrient solution concentration is not high enough. This one originally 730 parts per million. That's not too bad. This one's 757 parts per million. So I'm also trying out these, which were planted on the 15th of June. These are at 900 parts per million. And then these, which were seeded on the 22nd of June, these are in 890 parts per million. So I'm kind of mixing quite a few different variables here, adding a bubbler and increasing the parts per million to see if I can get these plants to stand up a little better. So here you can see they do have quite heavy leaves and narrow stems, so maybe to a certain extent this variety may have a problem, but that's where we are today, and supposedly I should be harvesting this group in 1 week, and we'll see how that goes. Maybe about right, but normally throughout this week I should be harvesting. So that's it. I'll lead into the next video, which was a few days ago. Hi friends, it is July 3. I've had a couple issues. One is that these plants are just laying down and drooping. These are the green ice, and these are the black-seeded Simpson. What I did was I put a bubbler in. I've got bubbler. So this is no longer a Kratky method. I'm going to try it for a week and see if those plants start standing up. Also, I had some black flies, and if you see those dots, that's where the flies like to hang out, and essentially I think they're crapping on my plants. But also right here you can see on this little notepad that I put on here, and my response was to take some fly paper and set it right where the flies like to sit, and too bad for Mr. Fly, but I got him. I've actually had probably half a dozen flies flying around here. So I'm going to try the bubblers for a week, and I'm hoping that it will help these plants out. If that doesn't work, I may try changing the nutrient solution concentration, which I believe is roughly 700 parts per million at the moment.